If you want to make a woman obsessed with you, start by understanding how and what she thinks. It's so easy to get swept up into getting a girl to like you that you kind of forget that she thinks differently to you. Therefore, your tricks won't work on her. You need to do things differently if you want her to be obsessed with you. In today's video, gents, I'm going to share 15 secret ways to make a woman obsessed with you. And these might just surprise you. Here we go. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Show off your adventurous spirit. Women are obsessed with adventure. Why do you think they're like men who play sports so much? They will become obsessed with any man who has an adventurous spirit. It makes them more fun, but also very much more interesting. If a man can be adventurous, then in a woman's mind, the relationship will always be fun. You can show her this side of your personality by taking her out on an adventure date, like a hike. Be a little mysterious. Do not give everything away on the first date or even the second. Keep some things about yourself secret and avoid oversharing. Women love it when they feel as though they don't know everything about a guy. They feel as though they need to get to know him, which is sometimes what keeps them obsessed. They just have to know more and more and more, which means, well, they're going to stick around to find out. Relax and try not to act stressed. Stress makes you seem nervous, which is something you should try to avoid when you are trying to impress a woman. If you are relaxed and not stressed, you will appear more confident and women will be more attracted to you. Also, typically, women want a man that is more level-headed as a partner, so behaving this way from the very beginning is much more beneficial. Think about your teeth. Women are honestly obsessed with men's teeth. I don't know why, we just are. They will look at your teeth when you are speaking. Look, we don't expect you to look like one of the men on those toothpaste commercials, but we want to see that you are looking after them. This means fresh breath and brushed teeth. If a man looks after his teeth, it normally means he looks after himself, which is why this is something women obsess over. Crack a joke. Laughter is something we should all do more of because it makes us happy. Women love an effortlessly funny guy, someone who can make them laugh uncontrollably and laugh until they cry. You don't need to be the funniest guy to ever exist, just someone who has some funny bones. If you don't know how to be funny, start by making fun of things that you do and go from there. Groom yourself properly. Yes, it can be annoying and yes, it takes time, but grooming yourself properly cannot be underrated if you want to make a woman obsessed with you. This can be as simple as getting a fresh haircut, taking care of any facial hair, wearing aftershave and deodorant makes a world of a difference. It is actually the difference between a woman being obsessed with you and a woman not being obsessed with you. And look, it only takes a few minutes every day. Dress to impress. Want a woman to be obsessed with you? Then start dressing the part. Whenever you think that you might see the girl that you like or just be around women, dress nicely and make an effort. You only need a few nice pieces in your wardrobe to make this happen. And don't forget, it's not just about your clothes, but your shoes as well. Show her that you are intelligent. Girls love intelligent men who don't show off about their intelligence. They want to know that you are intelligent, but they don't want you to shove it in their face all the time. When she asks, tell her what you do for a living and show how passionate you are about it. Tell her about your goals and explain what you are working towards. Maybe it's to save for a house or maybe it's for a promotion. Either way, showing her that you are working towards something tells her that you have a level of intelligence without having to bombard her with facts. Be focused on your goals. Women are obsessed with men who have their own lives. Sure, she wants you to pay her attention and she wants to do things with you, but she also wants you to have your own motivations in life, your own goals and driving forces. Tell her about those goals and what you need to do to achieve them so that she understands you will not always be available to her because you are busy working to achieve something that is important. Although some girls might be really clingy, most will be obsessed with the fact that you are so driven. Be sincere and thoughtful. Do things because you actually want to do them, not because you think you should do them or are told to do them. Although be thoughtful about how you speak to any woman that you are around and do nice things for them just because you want to. Girls can pick up when men are actually being sincere about something, but it's something they really look for in a partner, so it's best to show this early on. Always tell her how she is unique. Girls do not want to be compared to your ex, and they also don't want to be compared to other girls. Everyone is unique and has their own personality traits. They may cross over with some other people, but they have their own unique mix of looks and personality. Telling a woman how she is unique and that she has a sensitive side makes her feel special. It costs you nothing to point these things out, but really makes a girl fall for you even more. Find something that she does that is something unique to her and tell her that you have noticed it. Don't give her all of your attention. Do not get me wrong, women love attention from men. In fact, they normally like all the attention that they can get. But if you do this, then you are not giving yourself any attention, right? You might want women to be obsessed with you, but you shouldn't lose yourself. Plus, when you don't give a girl all your attention, it keeps her on her toes, which makes her even more obsessed with you because it adds a layer of mystery. Work on your eye contact game. Eye contact is so important because it establishes a connection between you and another person. If you can give a woman good eye contact, she will be interested in you. Eye contact comes in many forms, and to show a woman that you are interested, you need to use them all. The first type of eye contact is quick eye contact. You might look at her, then look away when she's standing at the bar. This tells her that you might be interested in her, or you might have looked at her by mistake. Again, a little bit of mystery. The second type of eye contact is longer. You look at her, she looks at you, you might smile slightly and then look away and continue your conversation. The third type is prolonged eye contact. This is when you look a girl in the eyes while she is talking to you, which means you both have to be close for this one to work. The mix of these three different types of eye contact is enough to make a girl interested in you. Show her that you are a high-value person. A high-value person is someone that women really want in their life. They add something to the lives of the people around them. They are often driven, passionate, kind, and funny. They are able to look after the people that are close to them and be a major part of their lives. Even if you don't feel like you are at the moment, you are most likely a high-value person. You might just need to work on a few things to become even better. Showing a girl this side of you will make her truly obsessed with you. Don't end up in the friend zone. This is the last thing you want. If you want to make a woman obsessed with you, then you want to stay well clear of the dreaded friend zone. Being nice to a woman and being friendly can sometimes make a woman think of you as a friend. Of course, you should still be nice and friendly to a woman, but to avoid being friend-zoned, you have to be flirty and sexual. Ask her on a date, flirt with her, hold her hand, tell her she is pretty, and eventually move things into the bedroom. Doing these things shows a woman that you want something more than a friendship, and it helps you to avoid that dreaded friend zone. I hope this video has helped. Drop your comments below, and as always, have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.